This video will walk you through customizing your individual listing showing preferences. Check out our video, Setting Your Agent Preferences, to learn how to set your global default showing preferences. To get started, select the listing you wish to configure from under the Listing Setup menu. Choosing to allow showing agents to request appointments online enables access to the Schedule Showing link inside listings and the many other automated scheduling benefits you have as a Bright subscriber. Next, you'll want to set your showing instructions and any applicable showing restrictions. Choose from one of 3 appointment types. How ShowingTime manages your showing requests will depend on this selection. Appointment required is best for occupied homes where confirming a showing is required. Use Go and Show for vacant properties, allowing the system to approve requests, then log them in the listing activity report automatically. View Instructions Only is perfect for when listing lot land properties. Check out our agent-accompanied showing video for more information about this option. There is a standard feedback form you can select. However, ShowingTime also offers the ability to create custom feedback requests that solicit detailed and specific feedback for you and your seller. You can watch our video creating a custom feedback form to learn more. The next section is Contacts. Anyone listed in this section has been added because they are involved in the showing process to some degree. Add a co-listing agent who may be assisting in managing showing requests. Include sellers and give them access to the mobile app where they can stay aware of appointments and feedback. You can even give them permission to approve appointments. This is great for those drive-by showing requests. 2 additional advanced notifications can be modified as well. You can have a scheduling request escalated when it's not confirmed. This helps you save showings from not happening. And you can have an agent notified if an owner or occupant has attempted to cancel or decline an appointment. Next, restrictions such as lead times, setting maximum appointment durations, or managing overlapping appointment preferences are done under the Appointment Restrictions section. There are 2 places you can manage showing restrictions. Here under the Appointment Restrictions section, or from under the Showing Restrictions tab, where you have access to a full calendar view. Manage your access information here. This includes lockbox and alarm details. When using a Go and Show or appointment required showing type, adding showing instructions is optional. You can type them yourself or choose from a predefined list of options. These are required, however, when using the View Instruction showing type, so be sure to add all the required details for showing agents here. Then, enter your driving directions, but don't enter GPS or Google Maps as the direction. Actually, enter the turn-by-turn directions from a local landmark. And lastly, if you have attachments like disclosures uploaded to your listing, why not add them here as well? All attachments are made available for agents directly via the showing request in ShowingTime. Visit support.brightmls.com for more tips and tricks.